This is a sample of an animation that can be done in any town. The goal is to illustrate the connection between race and wealth. Here we use the 2010 racial dot map created by the Weldon Cooper Center for Public Service at the University of Virginia. Data on property values is from public sources via citydata.com. I chose Houston for this first test. The racial segregation is so clear, the city looks like slices of a pie. First, we see Houston's racial dot map from overhead. Next, we move towards ground level. We can see the blocks that will be the main focus of this demonstration. Notice that the blocks have the racial dot map picture on the top and the sides of the block. Here, each block grows into a tower that represents the average value of the houses and condominiums in that census block. The tallest towers represent an average value of $1 million. That is the highest category reported. The average value could be much more, $2 million, $3 million, we're not sure. The shortest tower and towers actually shrink. The block starts at $100,000 of value. The shortest tower in this representation is $10,000. Now we go back to the overhead view. We'll look at the racial dot maps on top of each square, moving from the highest property value down. These examples allow students to think about racial differences between wealthier and poorer neighborhoods. The wealthier neighborhood has almost all of the white people in these three slices. The wealthy neighborhood is not entirely segregated. There are Latino Americans and Asian Americans. There are a few green African American dots as we move towards the lower towers. Note that the lighting on the tall towers seems to distort the map on the ground. The orange dots appear more yellow. Notice how concentrated the Latino and African American sections are. There is little variation in population and a very low ceiling on property value.